Welcome to English Podcast Academy, where we make learning English easy and fun. Hello, my lovely students. Today, I want to share something very personal with you. I want to tell you how I went from a low intermediate level to C1 in just 3 months. Yes, only 3 months. It wasn't magic. It was focus, consistency, and the right method. And I truly believe you can do the same. When I started, I was around B1. I could understand simple conversations, but I often got lost in fast speech. I wanted to understand movies without subtitles, speak fluently, and feel confident. So I made a plan. First, I changed my environment. I stopped watching content in my native language and switched completely to English. Every day, I listened to English podcasts, watched YouTube videos, and even changed my phone language. It felt strange at first, but my brain quickly adapted. Then I focused on shadowing. I chose short clips with clear pronunciation. I listened and repeated, again and again. It trained my mouth and ears at the same time. I didn't skip a day. 10 minutes of shadowing became my daily rule. It felt silly sometimes, but it worked. My pronunciation improved, my fluency improved, and most importantly, I became more confident. I also wrote every day, just a short paragraph. Sometimes about my day, sometimes about a topic I found interesting. This helped me use new vocabulary and improve my grammar naturally. And I didn't worry about being perfect. I just wrote and enjoyed the process. Speaking was the hardest part. I didn't have a language partner, so I spoke to myself. In the mirror, while walking, while cooking. I described what I was doing in English. It sounds funny, but it helped me think in English. Later, I found people online to practice with, and that gave me even more confidence. I used simple vocabulary, but I used it well. I repeated sentences like, I believe in myself, I can do this, I learn every day. These words became part of my daily routine. And slowly, my level grew. From B1 to B2, from B2 to C1 in just 3 months. So if you think you can't do it, trust me, you can. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to know every word. You need to practice every day, speak every day, listen every day. You are not alone in this journey. Use our playlists, follow our lessons, and don't give up. If I can do it, so can you. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, comment with your goal, and subscribe for more lessons. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.